Hey, if you want to pin application on your Samsung S24 FE, take a look like in my case. As you can see right now, I'm just unable to actually get out of this application. So first of all, I'm just gonna close it. There we go. And you will have to actually start by going into the settings, click on the search and input this phrase pin and click spacebar. And as you can see, we can find pin up in the security and the privacy, more security settings. So just click on it to open it. Now you will be automatically redirected and you will have to just click on it to turn it on. Now let's say that I want to show something to my friend, but I really want to stay on this single application that I want to show, like for example this calculator. So now to pin this application, I have to click on the background apps, click right here on the icon and select pin this application. And now as you can see, it is finished. Now nobody is able to actually exit this, at least by using this one. So yeah, that will be all, and thanks for watching.